Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about how to install Ratpoison, which is a free CSGO cheat that has been undetected for a very long time. It's a great piece of software, so let's get right into it. Alright, so to start the install process, we're going to go to this link, and I'll leave it in the description. I'll click on the code file and click download zip, and it will give us a zip file. You can drag it onto your desktop or wherever you'd like to put it. Open it up and drag out this folder. Yeah. Once you've done that, you're going to want to open up this folder. Click on build.bat here. And this console should open. It'll ask you if you want to install the Java development kit. Even if you already have that installed from something else, just type in Y for now, because sometimes it won't work, depending on what version you have. And then it's going to start the build process here. So if you type no, it'll just skip straight to this. Alright, so you can see it worked for me. Sometimes this build process won't work, and if it doesn't, just close it and rebuild it again just by reopening the batch file. It'll ask you if you want to randomize the file name. We're just going to say no, it doesn't really matter, and this isn't going to be detected anyway, so it's fine. Would you like to open the cheat folder? No, we're good. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So the cheat folder is in build, Ratpoison 1.6. I'm going to click on start Ratpoison 1.6. So once you get Counter-Strike open, to start the cheat, again, we're just going to click on Start Ratpoison 1.6. That'll open up this console. Now, in the event that it is not popping up like this for you, what you're going to want to do, go to your settings, go to video, and make sure your display mode is full screen windowed, because if it's not, the overlay will not work correctly. To open the menu, we're going to press F1, that's the default key. And we can see we have aim, visuals, miscellaneous, recoil, ranks, blah 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 blah, all that good stuff. Don't press this to close it, because this will just close the cheat. We're just going to press F1 again. And that's everything, guys. If you enjoyed the videos, please leave a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.